Hey guys, it is 5:42 AM and it's the first Sunday of the holidays, 7th of July. I'm on my way to the airport. Okay guys, so we just got to the hotel. So pretty much we were supposed to land at Ballina Airport, but then it was like really foggy and raining, so it was unsafe to land. So then we had to go to the Gold Coast and land in the Gold Coast Airport, which is like an hour away from Byron. Then they organized like a bus. Yeah, we would have wasted time going back to Ballina, then catching a cab anyway to Byron, and then we'll just like stuff it. So we ended up catching a cab straight to our hotel, and it did cost a bomb because it's like a 1 hour taxi ride, but yeah. Okay, so it's 11:27 right now, and now we're just getting a late brunch, and it's raining, unfortunately. Out of all weekends, it's raining, and then we'll hopefully go to the markets later if it stops raining. So dragon fruit bowl, and it has like watermelon, banana, strawberries, pistachio, goji berries, coconut, a lot of good stuff.
Quem não tem, mas ainda não passou. O amor tem no sofrer.
Here is an Uted. I'm wearing this hat from Seed, this sweater from Love J Style, black jeans from Fashion Nova, and these shoes. We're currently just doing some shopping because it's still raining, so we just went to the market. But yeah, it was raining and that was pretty annoying. I actually bought a really nice book, which I'll show you guys right now. The guy that we bought it off from the market said it's actually enchanted and that I'm supposed to like pass it on to the next generation or something. This stone is purple howlite. The store holder, he like made the case. So what it is, it's a book cover, and then you can like refill this, because I do like quite a bit of intention setting and I write things on like full moons and stuff like that. The stone is about like communication with the spirit and with the universe. They have really nice clothes and really nice boutiques here, but we're gonna end up broke. Just got a matcha latte because I'm a basic bitch. No, I'm joking. I actually love matcha flavored things. Like, ask anyone who knows me. Obsessed with matcha flavored shit. Yeah, I'll give like a quick little room tour of our little hotel. We just got like a little hotel room because it's only my mum, my sister and I, so we literally need one bed. There's a couch there. There's a balcony out there. I don't know if you can see. We're not going to use that. And then TV. That's the bed. It's a king, and we're literally all, I don't know, one of us will sleep on the couch. This is my favorite. The bathroom. It's pretty snazzy. Like, that's just really nice. I don't know. So we're just chilling here for a while because it's around like 5:30, and then we're gonna go grab dinner.
Motivo pra cantar, cada tem seu porquê, tem mais pouco pra contar. O amor tem no sofrer, bom motivo pra cantar, cada tem seu porquê, tem mais pouco pra contar.
finished up at dinner and had our ice cream. I couldn't talk in the restaurant, but that was like a black bean naked burrito with like mushrooms, zucchini, corn chips, guacamole. It was amazing. And then I had coconut and cookies ice cream and it was really good.
Can I
and
speak?
Now we're watching, what are we watching?
Toy Story number 4.
Hey, so it's the next morning. We had a bit of a sleep in because we were so tired, like literally running on 4 hours of sleep the day before. Whoa, this lighting is actually fire. So I'll give you guys a little bit of an ooted. I'm wearing this white top from Dolly Girl. I'm wearing another long sleeve under because I was cold, so. And then I bought these pants yesterday, the RVCA. Oh, mind my pink socks. The RCVA or whatever it's called. They look like that. Guys, look at this dress. I'm in love. But it's like $300, so I might just keep an eye on it until it's on sale or something.
We have a bunch of other dresses. We have this beautiful, nice yellow mustard color. This nice white one.
What do you think of that?
And this is the one that she's wearing. Help her decide if she should get it or not.
No. Hey guys, so I bought this dress today in one of the boutique stores. It's like a long dress. I know it looks like this up front and it's really different. I actually don't own a long dress or anything like this. There it goes, like and yeah, so like be unique, you know, you just gotta be unique, guys. Guys, the craziest thing just happened. Like, you don't even understand. We were literally walking like, but we went and got some frozen yogurt, and then we were walking about to go back into our hotel, and then on the corner of the street we hear this loud noise and we look and like someone fell over, and it was this guy and he fell over on a skateboard, and it was like, so we went over to him, we're like, are you okay? It just seemed a bit weird, he wasn't really responding, and then he stood up and then we looked and we saw a smashed alcohol bottle. So he was absolutely smashed. He was drinking whilst he was already smashed on and skateboarding at night and holding a guitar at the same time. So he obviously fell and then he was just bleeding a little bit and we didn't think it was that bad. He stood up and then we put like the flash on his arm and we saw his bone. He had like a massive slit in his arm, in his elbow, and I think I almost fainted. And then like there was no one around, and this guy was like drunk, so he's like young, like 28-year-old white guy with dreads. And I don't know, he was a bit weird. He was saying like, oh, I gotta give my guitar to my friend. He just kept saying like, nah, I'll be sweet, it's not even that bad, you're just playing. And then he kept kind of making jokes whilst we're like trying to help him. But it was just so crazy because just the way it all happened, and then we had to wait and get the ambulance. Yeah, he started beatboxing. It was pretty funny but like bad at the same time. And honestly guys, like this, if you drink, just please be careful. Like don't do shit like getting hammered and go skating on a skateboard, because I mean if we weren't there, I don't know what that guy would have done. Like he would have lost a lot of blood and maybe died. Stay safe. Yeah, That's my story time. Hey, so it's Tuesday. It's our last day here. We're leaving later today. And we're starting off our day by going on a walk to the iconic Byron Bay Lighthouse. And like, look at this view.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.